Hey, what's going on? If you're new to my channel, my name's Silas Haig, and I share weekly videos on solopreneurship, freelancing, and starting or running an online business. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money online with no investment in 2020. And I'm going to go through two strategies and also show you proof that this is something that I've done in the past and that I still do, so you know that I'm not just talking about things that I haven't done before. So my first recommendation is affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what that is, it's basically promoting other people's products and services. And it's great when you're starting out, as you don't have to worry about things like creating a product or dealing with customer service or a lot of those other things that come into play when you're getting started. So it's good because it can help you focus in on certain areas and forget about other areas. Now, unfortunately, there are a lot of affiliate marketers out there that just do it the wrong way. Like they spam their links everywhere, pretend to be someone's best friend in order to just get the sale from them. And there's a lot of other tactics that kind of give it a bad name. But I want to tell you how to do it the right way. And before that, I want to just share with you what affiliate marketing I do. So again, so you can see that this is something that I do myself. So I'll just minimize this. So this is a proofreading course that I took a long time ago, and I'm an affiliate of this course. So here you can see if anyone clicks through your link and buys the course, you get 30% commission on each sale you make. So I've had 7 people go through my link. That's the commissions I've made. This just tells you how many unique visitors, how many people have clicked on your link each day. So today I haven't had anyone click up through my link. And this is just another view of my affiliate commissions through this course. So I did get someone bought through me quite recently, but I haven't actively been promoting it as much. And I'll show you what I did to promote this before I talk a bit more about strategies. So the main thing I did was create a YouTube channel and just talk about my experiences with this course, with the business model. So as you can see here, I just created a load of videos. I think there's about 10, maybe a few more around proofreading. I've even got a playlist. There you go, 12 videos. I'm just talking about my experience and why I loved it and things like that. And now another platform, another idea is something called ClickBank, which is just a website that houses lots of different affiliate offers. So you can go through this. I'll go through and show you. I'm promoting a product through ClickBank at the moment. I've only just started. It's recently, so it's a bit inconsistent, but it's encouraging to get started, I suppose. These are my kind of results so far. So with ClickBank, you just click marketplace. You just go to the marketplace, go to clickbank.com, and then go to the marketplace. And you can see here there are so many different categories of different types of affiliate offers you can promote. And you can just literally just go through, or you can just click search here and it'll find them all. And then you just find the one you like, check it out, and then click promote, and then you just get a link, and then you go from there. So that's just 2 examples. I also promote an email software platform called ConvertKit. So literally, there are so many different products and services and courses and everything like that out there that have affiliate and partner programs, because you're basically helping them do their marketing for you. So for them, so you get a percentage of the sale. Even Amazon has got its own one where you can promote any Amazon product. I've heard it's not quite that good anymore. It used to be good, not so much now, but that just gives you an idea of an example of what you can do. So this is what I would suggest, is to think back to what you already spend money on, or something that you've already spent money on, something that you believe in, and something that you already tell people about anyway. And just check and see if any of those things have an affiliate program. Literally just scroll down to the bottom of the website, and it will usually say something like affiliates or partners or something like that, and check through. Usually it's a really simple application process. It's just an online form to fill in, but it depends on the affiliate program. And then once you've done that, find people that actually need that offer. Find people that actually need what you're promoting. There are so many different ways you can do that, through Facebook groups, YouTube, writing a blog, all sorts of different ways. And then don't approach those people as if you're trying to sell something to them. Rather than that, try to actually help them solve their problem and present your offer as the solution to that problem. So help them first, and then on the back end, once you've helped them, then you can be like, hey, if you're interested, this might help you further. And also just be very selective in what you promote, and don't just go out promoting anything and everything. Be very selective. Make sure it's something that you actually want to promote, something, preferably something you've had experience with. And that's how you do affiliate marketing the right way without investing any money as well. So my other recommendation is freelancing. And now this is obviously a huge field. There are so many different services you can offer with freelancing. If you've already got a skill that you're paid for already, see if you can work out a way to transition that to offering it online. And if you don't have a skill yet, don't worry. There are still plenty of options. There are a lot of things you can do with freelancing that cost money to start, like investing in courses, paying for advertising to get clients. But this video is how you can do it without any investment. So I'll get into what I suggest in just a second. But first of all, I just want to show you again that this is something I do, so I can talk from experience about this. So as I previously mentioned, I did the proofreading course, so I still have a freelance proofreading business, which is one of the things I currently do. And this is just inside my accounting and invoicing software dashboard. Now, this is a service called Wave, which is just excellent. It's completely free and it handles all of your accounting and invoicing. I've actually done a separate video on that, so check that out if you're interested. And this just shows you my cash flow for the recent months. So as you can see, it's roughly around the 2,000 mark every month. And I do, as a very rough estimate, about 10 hours a week on this. So yeah, that, just showing you that this is something that I do. Now, if you're starting out, what I'd recommend is go and look for services that are already out there. Now, there are platforms out there like Upwork, just upwork.com, and just see what services are already being offered, and then pick one that you like. So just go scroll through, have a look, check them all out. Pick one you like. There's also another one called Fiverr.com. There's lots of other freelancer websites out there. These are just two of the most popular ones. It's Fiverr with 2 R's. Go through and have a look and see all the different services being offered, and pick one that you like, pick one that you're interested in. And then just learn, if you don't know how to do it already, learn how to do it through YouTube clips or blogs. There are so many ways that you can find out free information about it, and then simply provide that service to others. Now, obviously that's easier said than done. And I actually have a video where I go into a lot more detail about the free strategy that I used to get my first 2 proofreading clients. And that strategy you can actually apply to any kind of freelancing in order to get your first few clients. But to sum it up, it's basically, first of all, one of the things you can do is to reach out to people you already know and offer to do the work for free or a discounted rate in order to get some testimonials in. If you don't want to go down that route, reach out to people who might need your service and, again, either offer a small sample for free or a discounted service, or do a small sample for free, or do a mock-up of something for free, depending on your service and your offer, and just reach out to people and just send it to them. And people appreciate that initiative. Some do anyway. Others won't, but that's something you have to accept if you're going down the free route. Some people will appreciate that initiative and then will ask for more work, or at least recommend you to others. So that's my recommendation if you want to go down the freelancing route. Now, for more of these kind of strategies, I share a lot more of this kind of stuff inside my Facebook group. It's called Young Freelancers and Solopreneurs. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below so you can check that out. I just go into a lot more detail on these kind of things, and I can share a lot more about it and talk about it in a more group situation back and forth, where people can ask questions. So if you want to go there, if you want to be a member, just go check out the link down below. And other than that, hope you got some value from this, and I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time.